Hello student, good morning. Today we are starting chapter 4, determinant. Determinant is a somewhat of some type of like matrices. So we are beginning with determinant. Determinant is exists or it defined for a square matrix only. So, what do you mean by determinant? If we have a matrix A, 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square matrix, has a determinant. Rectangular matrix have no determinants. So, determinant of A is defined like that, or say that determinant A, its notation is 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, first row, first column, second column. Value of determinant can find. Matrix have a no value, but determinant has a value. The simplification of determinant exists, and it's like that. Product of this element minus product of this. So 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. 4 1 ja 4 minus 6 minus 2. The determinant of matrix A is minus 2. 2 by 2 determinant. It's called 2 by 2 determinant. Second example. For example, determinant 2, 3, 4, 7. Value of that is 7 2s are 14. Product of this minus product of this. So 14 minus 12 is 2. Next example. Determinant of this 1 by root 3 root 2 minus 1 root 2 plus 1 root 3 minus 1. Product of these two element minus product of these two. So 1 plus root 3 minus 1, root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. Product of this a minus b, a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. So root 3 square minus 1, root 2 square minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. This is determinant. Now for a 3 by 3. Suppose determinant B 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Find the value of this determinant or simplify this determinant. So here, to solve 3 by 3 determinant, begin with any row or any column. Any row or any column. So from first row, we are generally using first row. So first row, first element 1. Now, hide the element 1, row and column. Hide that element, the row or column. The remaining determinant is 1, 2, 5, 3. Hide the row and column containing the element 1. Now, for a second 2, to hide second column, first row. So we have a determinant 3, 2, 4, 3. So first element is always positive, second is negative, and this is positive. So 2 has a negative values. Similarly 4, third element. So hide the row and column containing 4. So first row, third column. So we have 3, 1, 4, 5. Now simplify it. 3 1 ja 3 minus 10. 4 3 3 ja 9 minus 8. And 4. 15 minus 4. So 1 minus 7, 2, 1 plus 4, 11 minus 7 minus 2, 44. 7 plus 2 minus 9 plus 44. So this is 35. So value of that determinant is nothing but 35. Let's second example. 3, 1, 2, 4, 0, 5, 1, 5 minus 1. Simple. Begin with 3. Hide 3. So row and column containing 3. So we have 0, 5, 5 minus 1. Second element is negative. So 4, 5, 1 minus 1. Third element is positive. 4, 0, 1, 5. 3. 0 into minus 1, 0 minus 5, 5 is 25. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, plus 2, 20 minus 0, minus 75, minus 9 plus 9, 22 is 40, 49 plus 75, minus 26. Minus 26 is the value of given determinant. Clear? Now you can find the value of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 determinant. Next example. If a matrix A of 2 by 2 order 2, 1, 3, 4, then prove that this is called the determinant of 3A is equal to 9 into determinant of A. So first we have to find 3A. 3 into 2, 1, 3, 4. 3 multiply with every element, 6, 3, 9, 12. Now determinant of 3A is 6, 3, 9, 12. 12, 6, 72, 9, 3, 27. Now subtract 27 from 72. So we have 45. Say it is 1. Or write it left hand side. Now right hand side, 9 into A. So 9 into determinant 2, 1, 3, 4. 9. 4 2s are 8 minus 3. So 9 into 5, 45. Second. So by 1 and 2, 3 determinant of 3A is 9 determinant of A. Next example. If 2x1 x3 equal to 2, 4, 1, 5, then find x. Comparison of two determinant. So simplify both the determinant, left hand side and right hand side, and then compare it. So here 2x1 x3, 2, 4, 1, 5. 3 2s are 6x minus x equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 4. So this is 5x equal to 6. X equal to 6 by 5. Second one. x2 3x equal to 4 minus 2 1 7. So here this is x square minus 6. 7 4s are 28 minus plus 2. X square minus 6 equal to 30. X square equal to 36. X equal to plus or minus 6. This is the value of x. It's a comparison of determinant. Clear? Let's see next example. Next example. T x plus 1 x minus 1 x plus 2. Simplify it. So x plus 1 into x plus 2, product of these two minus product of these two, x minus 1. This is x square 2x x plus 2 minus x square plus x square cancel. This is 3x plus x, 4x plus 2, 2 common, 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Now see second one. A, determinant of 3 by 3, matrix 3 by 3 is given. Prove that 2 times A. So determinant of 2A is equal to 8 determinant of A. So first we are finding 2A. 2 into matrix A. 1 2 3, 2 minus 1 2, 3 1 4. So this is nothing but multiply 2 with every element. 2 4 6, 4 minus 2 4, 6 2 8. Now left hand side equal to determinant of 2A is nothing but 2 4 6, 4 minus 2 4, 6 2 8. So this equal to 2 minus 2 4 2 8 minus 4 4 4 6 8 plus 6 4 minus 2 6 2 2 8 2 is minus 16 2 2 4 is 8 minus 4 8 4 is 32 minus 24 plus 6 4 2 is 8 plus 12 2 16 minus 8 24 minus 4 minus 8 plus 6 into 20 48 minus 32 plus 26 120 38 for 32 48 minus 80 plus 120 40. Say this is 1. Now for right hand side, so we find the value of determinant of 2A. Now 8 times determinant A. So 8. So for first of all we are finding determinant of A. 1 2 3, 2 minus 1 2, 3 1 4. Simplify it. So 1 into minus 1 2 1 4 minus 2 2 2 3 4 plus 3 2 minus 1 3 1. Simplify it. 4 1 ja minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 4 2 ja 8 minus 6 plus 3 2 plus 3 minus 6 2 2 ja minus 4 plus 5 3 ja 15 5. Now right hand side equal to 8 times determinant of A. 8 into determinant A equal to 5. So 40. So this is 2. So by 1 and 2, 2A determinant of 2A is 8 times determinant of A. Same type of problem is in exercise 4.1. Now you can solve whole exercise 4.1. That's your homework. See you soon, beta. Bye bye.